Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best bike racks for garage. Number 1. Yendse vertical bike. Upgrade your bike storage with a space-saving and ultra-stable solution designed to hold up to 5 bikes securely. Featuring a reinforced triangular steel base with anti-slip rubber pads, this rack prevents wobbling or tipping even when fully loaded. The heavy-duty steel frame supports up to 300 pounds, making it a reliable choice for garages, apartments, or even outdoor spaces. Unlike traditional wall-mounted racks, this freestanding design requires no drilling, allowing for effortless placement anywhere. Keep all your cycling essentials organized with a built-in helmet net and rust-resistant S-hooks. The net provides a secure spot for helmets, gloves, and small accessories, while the sturdy S-hooks, each rated for 10 pounds, conveniently hold locks, keys, or bike bags. No more cluttered floors. Everything stays neatly within reach. Designed for versatility, this rack adjusts in height from 20 inches to 81.5 inches to accommodate kids' bikes, mountain bikes, and even small e-bikes. The 360-degree rotating hooks coated with protective rubber prevent scratches while allowing flexible spacing for 4 to 5 bikes. With a sleek, powder-coated steel frame that resists rust and scratches, this storage solution is built for long-lasting durability. Number 2, monTEK hangers maximize your storage space with a durable and innovative wall-mounted bike rack designed for strength, security, and convenience. Built from heavy-duty solid steel, this rack can support up to 66.2 pounds, ensuring reliable bike storage. The rubber-coated hook protects wheels, rims, and spokes from pressure and scratches, keeping your bike in top condition. By storing your bike in a vertical position, you gain easy access while maintaining an organized and clutter-free space. Featuring an upgraded 150-degree swivel design with a smooth bearing system, this bike rack allows for flexible positioning, centered, left-angled, or right-angled. This makes it an ideal solution for tight spaces like garages, apartments, or near-parked cars. Simply hook the front wheel, rest the back wheel on the stabilizer, and rotate the rack to your desired angle for a sleek, space-efficient setup. Designed to fit most bikes, including road bikes, mountain bikes, BMX, and cruisers, this storage rack helps free up valuable floor space. Installation is quick and easy, with included mounting hardware for secure attachment to concrete, masonry, or stud walls. Built for long-term durability, this bike rack offers a practical and stylish solution for any cyclist. Number 3. Allen Trunk Mount. Transporting bikes has never been easier with a versatile and user-friendly rear-mounted bike rack designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, including sedans, hatchbacks, minivans, and SUVs. Its patented design ensures a secure fit, making it a reliable choice for road trips, weekend getaways, or daily commutes. With no complicated assembly required, this rack comes fully assembled and installs within seconds, allowing for a hassle-free setup. Featuring 12-inch long carry arms, this rack accommodates various bicycle styles, from road bikes to mountain bikes and more. The 11.5-inch wide arms enhance bike compatibility, ensuring a stable and secure hold during travel. Built with a sturdy frame, it supports up to 70 pounds, making it ideal for carrying multiple bikes. Designed for convenience, the rack folds completely flat when not in use, allowing for compact storage in your trunk or garage. Ships in certified frustration-free packaging, ensuring a smooth unboxing experience. Whether you're heading out for a solo ride or a family cycling adventure, this durable and easy-to-use bike rack provides a secure and space-saving transportation solution for all your biking needs. Number 4. Mythinglogic Organizer. Keep your bikes and sports gear organized with this multifunctional floor bike rack, designed to hold up to 3 bicycles with ease. Whether you own road bikes, mountain bikes, hybrid bikes, kids' bikes, or small scooters, this versatile rack accommodates them all. The top shelf basket is perfect for storing helmets, gloves, knee pads, or other accessories, while additional hooks allow you to hang items like tennis rackets, skateboards, and more. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, this bike rack is perfect for garages, basements, front and backyards, or even storefronts. Say goodbye to clutter and store your bikes and sports gear in a tidy and accessible way. The high-quality steel frame with a durable powder-coated finish ensures a long-lasting and sturdy construction. The wire basket is designed to resist breaking, buckling, or bending, providing reliable storage for your items. Additionally, the extra-wide top ball basket is perfect for storing footballs, basketballs, and other sports equipment, making this rack an excellent multi-purpose garage organizer. Measuring 35 inches in length, 20.9 inches in width, and 33.1 inches in height, this bike rack offers plenty of space to keep everything well organized and easy to reach. Number 5. Sttoraboks Apartment. Maximize your space and keep your bike secure with this versatile vertical bike rack, designed to offer both convenience and stability. Equipped with 4 360-degree rolling wheels, this rack can be easily moved indoors or outdoors, making it perfect for any environment. The casters are lockable, preventing accidental sliding while ensuring the stand stays stable when parked, protecting your bike's safety and integrity. This bike rack is compatible with a wide range of bikes, including mountain bikes with tire widths up to 4 inches and kids' bikes between 20 and 24 inches. It supports bikes with a maximum weight of 55 pounds, 25 kilograms, and offers adjustable lifting and retracting rods for customized storage. The V-shaped plastic brackets securely hold the rear wheel, while the adjustable distance between them accommodates different tire sizes, providing a sturdy, triangular structure. Velcro fasteners ensure the bike remains stable. Made from high-quality black powder-coated steel, this rack is durable, rust-resistant, and built to last. The easy-to-assemble design requires no wall installation, keeping your room neat and free from scratches. Perfect for small spaces like dorms, apartments, or offices, this space-saving rack comes with a satisfaction guarantee, offering a full refund if you're not completely happy. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.